Again from the rack today. Got most of the fall of last year VAULT line Zapatos del Barco boat shoes. $29 a piece. They sold for between $110 to $130, depending upon which website you went to. Common theme of that tongue label with the artwork: buttery leather, blue and red combination. This one, as you can see, I copped two of. Kind of an off-white foxing midsole, whichever your terms, whichever you prefer. Extra clean shoes. I meant to pick all these up. All the Zapatos del Barcos, they had one or two, including this one. Not in my size, but maybe over the course of the next month it'll be there. Picked up most of the VAULT line in these Zapatos del Barco, like I say. 5 or 6 of them, 4 or 5, whatever, we'll see in a minute. For the price of about 1.5 of them. A good day.